Hi everyone, Aga here from EurekaCrystalBeads.com, and I'm here with another really exciting unboxing video for you today. Before I get started, take a look. This is how many of you are still not subscribed but do watch our videos. So if you like them, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button as well to never miss any of our content. Today we are unboxing the Sunflower Bliss beads collection, and for this one we collaborated with Gina from Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads. I've looked at the bead list and I must say I think it's going to be a stunner, so we're gonna link the collection as well as Gina's channel down in the description, so don't forget to click on all the links and let's get on to unboxing. And if you watch till the end of this video, we have a nice surprise for you, and if you like our collections, we're sure you're gonna like it. So in case you don't know, in case you're new here or this video just popped up in your feed, Eureka Crystal Beads collections are these assortments that we release every month or so. This is not a subscription, you just get whichever collection you like. And they are also a really great deal, I would say. Besides, we only make a limited number of them each time, so if you like one, get one right away, because it may just get sold out. Each collection has this inspiration photo. This one chosen by Gina is so lovely. It's so happy and summery. And we also include a bead list, so a list of everything that's in the collection, where you have the name, you have the SKU number, and you can look it up at EurekaCrystalBeads.com in case you want more of that. There's also this inspirational quote, and I love this one that Gina prepared. Experience sunflower bliss through this collection and delight in the invigorating energy that lingers long after you've left the garden. Beautiful. This is what I want to think of when I create designs using this collection. Okay, and this is everything that is in the collection. As you can see, there's plenty of supplies, and let's just quickly get through them so that you can see all of the beautiful, beautiful beads and findings and supplies that you can find in the collection. Again, I'll just add that each product, as you can see, has a number on them that you can look up on the list and find the product that you need easily. So first up, we have the seed beads, and there's 6 tubes of seed beads. That's plenty. We have a mix here of Miyukis and Tohos. Here we have a Miyuki mix of 15 so that's really interesting. And I love the kind of fall natural colors of these. We have a classic matte black from Miyuki. We have this sort of antique gold matte color that goes so well with all the other beads. Here we have a Miyuki mix that will actually go quite well with the other mix, but this one is a little bit lighter and warmer. And these are Miyuki Delicas. Oh, I can just imagine how beautiful a bezel will look using these on a crystal. Here we have Toho 15 in matte galvanized starlight. These are also perma-finish, so you can be sure they won't tarnish. And here we have a bead that matches my nails perfectly. These are Toho 11s, and I really, really love this sunny color. Really pretty. And all of these seed beads kind of work together, as well as just in some pairings. Beautiful, and so many possibilities. Okay, I absolutely cannot wait, so let's talk about crystals. And here we have these crystals. These are not in a custom mix or an accent mix like we sometimes do. These are just separate crystals. So as you can see, I have both Rivolis and Chatons. And the Chatons are from Krakowski, our Eureka exclusive brand. And the Rivolis are from Elite Eureka Crystal, which is also a Eureka exclusive brand, and they are made in Austria. And as you can see, the edge is very, very thin and even, and that's one of the ways how you can tell a good stone, a good crystal stone. So we have these Rivolis in 2 sizes, 14 and 8 millimeters. And they are just jet black. They will work very well as the center for a sunflower. So these are the stones. Then we have this beautiful custom mix prepared by Gina from Orchid and Opal again. As you can see, we have some just classic single colored ones. We have these, I think that must be peridot, which I really love. And some of the golden kind of also have this kind of a shimmer effect. I would have almost forgotten. These are 4mm crystal, and you get this beautiful mix in the collection as well. Next up in the crystal section, we have these gorgeous 4mm Krakowski crystal pearls in the lovely velvety forest fern color. Next up, we have our Chinese crystal in this golden orangey metallic kind of a half coat color. These are also kind of a little bit like amber, just this sunshine, warm, golden sunset color. And they shimmer really, really nice. So these were our crystals, and now let's go on to our Czech beads. So first I wanted to show you these super duos that are in the collection, and they have this beautiful shimmer to them that's a little bit like the vitriol effect. They are actually called magic green. It's really, really pretty. They have a little bit of that green that I said I really like, so I'm definitely going to be using them. Then we have these bar beads that again accidentally match my nails perfectly because they're well sunflower colored. And yeah, they are very useful as well. The yellow is very nice. The opaque effect will definitely work very well with the super duos and maybe with the Chinese crystals as well. Then we have these triangle beads that have this matte sort of finish with a little bit of a marble effect, I would say. They look a little bit like Northern Lights, maybe. A little bit like the underside of a leaf. A little bit. Yeah, I really like them now that I think of it. And for these ones, as you can see, the tubes are fulled to the brim, so it's even difficult to put them back. But if you look, for example, to Miyuki's, the tubes are not full, and that's okay because they're packed by grams. So you don't have to be worried if you get more beads in one tube and just a little less, fewer beads in a different tube. The next thing that I was kind of excited for when I saw that it was going to be included in the collection are these flower beads. They are 2-hole sunflower beads that, and the 2 holes actually make them more viable for interesting projects because if you use both holes, they will not turn, and so they can be fastened really well to other beads and secured in the beadwork. They have this flat back side, so if you wanted, you could also use them in bead embroidery quite successfully. And I'm actually thinking of making a bead embroidery project with them, so let me know in the comments if you would like that. They are very pretty. They have this gold wash on black background, so they are like an elegant twist, I would even say, on this collection. Really like them. Next up in the Czech glass department, we have fire polish beads. And here we have 3 sizes, 6mm, 4mm, and 3mm beads. And 3 finishes basically, because this one is a Picasso, this one's opaque, and again, love the color. And this one is transparent and has the AB effect, I think, just kind of a delicate AB effect. And not only they match together, all 3 of them perfectly, they also match both the crystals, the mix, the seed beads. Is just perfect. Gina really knows how to compose a collection, doesn't she? And then we get Spark of Red in the collection, which I think is a really nice accent in this Lunasoft lucite cabochon. It has a silver back and this gorgeous depth to it. So it's like super dark when you look at it from one angle, and then it's this beautiful, beautiful, like crimson red when you look at it from a different angle. So it's really, really pretty. And this one is 18mm, so it will do great as a focal for a bracelet or a necklace. Next, let's go on to findings. And here we have these sunflower charms in this antique gold finish. This is what they look like from the back. They're kind of lightweight and kind of mid-size, I would say. They are made by our friends in Greece, the manufacturer in Greece that we work with, and they're really good quality. Then we have a clasp that will be great for a bracelet or a necklace. This is this hook and loop clasp where you put the clasp on the hook and this little thing kind of prevents it slipping away too easily. I really like this antique finish on it as well and the general aesthetics. So that's if you want to make a bracelet or a necklace. And if you want to make earrings, you get 3 pairs of these ear wires. They are shiny gold and really quite classic and elegant. An interesting and quite original addition to this collection is the silk ribbon that we have here in this absolutely beautiful orange-red color. As you can see, it's finished, it's creased, and it will do very well as just some hanging material for a necklace. And it is in general quite pretty in itself. It has these little gradient progression of color. So this is also another high quality product in this collection. Okay, so this is the August 2024 Eureka and Orchid and Opal collection called Sunflower Bliss. I think it's perfectly seasonal, it's beautiful, it has the perfect products really to make beaded projects and bead embroidered projects even. I love the colors, love the vibe, and I'm really curious what we're going to create with it. Let us know in the comments which of these products you like the most and will definitely be using, or which one of these you have never tried. I have never tried these sunflower beads, and I've never used the silk ribbon. You can find this collection at eurekacrystalbeads.com. Of course, we will also link it down in the description, as well as our other available collections. Don't forget to check out Orchid and Opal's channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye! Now for the surprise, we're giving away the previous collection that Gina from Orchid and Opal made with us, the Mountain Vineyard collection, and you can win the full thing with free shipping. So if you're interested, don't forget to check out the description for details.